Once upon a time, there was a princess and a peasant. She lived atop a hill in a glittering castle. There she had a servant who kept her castle in order, selected and pressed her robes for the day, prepared her royal breakfast, and served it to her in her chambers. She had fame, she had fortune, she had product endorsements. But she was not what she seemed. On the other hand, in a humble village far away, the peasant had none of her luxuries. But he had a dream. And so, with a fond farewell from his closest friends, and gifts of good luck, best wishes, and useless junk, those who thought it counts, his world was about to clash with hers in a place called Hollywood.